Yes, of course, sino mang hindi nakakilala, syempre ang ating kapatid sa pagiging manika, of course. Atisa, hello.
Hello, Miss. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you again. How does it feel? Isa ka na sa mga napila na Miss Hello Glow.
Oh, I'm very, very happy. You know, last year I was Miss Hello Glow, and I'm hoping that this year, back to back.
Yes, everybody is talaga nagkakagulo here at SM for Atisa Manalo. Pag ikaw lumalabas talaga nagkakagulo sila. How does it feel? Pag rumarampa ka and everybody's nagkakagulo at nagsisigawan.
Nakakatawa. Alam mo, Miss, I've been doing pageants for so long, and my last Binibini one was like 7 years ago. And nakakatuwa na parang hindi kumukupas yung pagmamahal ng tao sa akin. I'm really touched.
So, grabe, kumakapit ang lahat for Atisa Manalo, whatever. And whenever and wherever talagang kapit for Atisa, di ba?
Nakakatuwa. Nakaka-touch, Miss.
Okay. Ang sabi nila, baka daw, nandyan sa 10 na yan, ang ihiraging manifesting for each and every one of you. So, is this a pressure or happiness for Atisa?
For me, it's
a
good sign. Exactly. It's like an added plus point to boost my confidence in this competition because, you know, those 3 judges, including Miss Universe Asia Chelsea Manalo, thought that I could be Miss Hello Glow. That's a good sign.
It's Atisa or me because I'm very thick also.
Buti di ka na sa Shan.
Yeah, kala ka designer. Yeah. Thank you so much, Atisa. Of course, we love you and we're really hoping and praying for you, Atisa. We love you so much. Every Filipino loves you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss. Nice to see you always.
Nice to see you always.
Yeah.